dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. In the previous class, we learnt about first lesson, growing plants. In the previous video, we discussed about reproduction in plants, reproduction through seeds, germination, factors of germination. So, now in this week, we are going to learn about dispersal of seeds. Before that, factors of germination. So, in our textbook, we are having one activity. So, to learn about that activity, you are supposed to open your textbooks. Dear children, please open your textbooks. Dear children, please open your textbook, page number 79. In that page, we are having one activity. Once look at your textbooks. Now I am going to read. Take 4 bowls. What we have to do first? We have to take 4 bowls. In bowl 1, put a few bean seeds on wet cotton. Keep this bowl in a dark and cool place or in a refrigerator. So dear children, first of all, we are supposed to take 4 bowls. In that 4 bowls, first you can take bowl 1. In that bowl, you have to take bean seeds. Do you know bean seeds? Chikkudu ginjalu, bean seeds. So not only bean seeds, and you can take cotton. Do you know cotton? Dudi, cotton. Now take bean seeds and wet cotton. So you have to wet the cotton. Ante water to wet cheyandi, tadapandi. So wet cotton. Keep this bowl on that cotton. You can put like this some of the seeds. This is the cotton, wet cotton. So on the wet cotton, you have to keep some of the bean seeds. And you can keep that bowl in a cool place, or refrigerator means freeze. I think nowadays every house is having freeze. Now you can keep that bowl in the freeze. Now in bowl 2, already bowl 1 is over. Now bowl 2, put a few bean seeds on dry cotton and keep it in an open place or expose it to sunlight. Now bowl 2, again you have to take some bean seeds and dry cotton. In first bowl we can wet the cotton. Now this time take dry cotton, podiga unnatuvanti cotton dudi teeskondi, and keep it in an open place or exposed to sunlight. Open place lo gaani, surya rasmi, sunlight tagile place lo gaani you had to arrange. In bowl 3, 2 bowls are over. Now bowl 3, put some bean seeds on wet cotton. Keep bowl 3 next to bowl 2. So that is also get plenty of sunlight and air. Now like this, bowl 2, take some cotton. We have to wet the cotton and take some bean seeds and keep them in the sunlight to get sunlight and air. Now bowl 4, put some bean seeds in excess water so that the bean seeds remain submerged. Some water should always be there in a bowl 1, 3 and 4. Now see here, bowl 4. So that all the seeds have to submerge. That means ee water lo seeds ani munigi undali. So that means bowl 1 ki, bowl 3, bowl 4. So you have to keep little water to these 3 bowls. Now let us record your observations. So bowl 1. So we gave water. Air is also there. That bowl is in the refrigerator. So that bowl, it is not getting sunlight. It can germinate? No. Why? Why it is not germinating? Seeds did not get sunlight. Why? Because that bowl is in the refrigerator. So that seeds are not getting sunlight. To germinate the seeds, sunlight is very important. So now come to the bowl 2. In this bowl 2, so water is there? No. Dry wet cotton you kept? No. Dry cotton you kept. So that's why in the bowl 2 there is no water, but air is there, sunlight is there. So it can germinate? No. Why? Because that seed is not getting water. First bowl ki sunlight ledu. Second bowl it is not getting water. Then the third bowl. Water is there. Air is there. Sunlight is there. So it can germinate? Yes. Why? Because seeds got water, sunlight and air. Now see the fourth one. So fourth bowl, water is there, air is not there, sunlight is there. So it can germinate? No. Why? Because seeds did not get air because they were submerged in water. Why? Because avi water lo munigi undatam valla seeds not get the air. Seeds ki saripadiనటువంటి గాలి రాలేదు. So through these activity, the conclusion is the conditions necessary for germination of seeds are water, air, sunlight or warmth. That means ఏదైనా సీడ్ జర్మినేట్ అవ్వాలి, కొత్త మొక్క కింద రూపొందాలి అంటే దట్ సీడ్ నీడ్స్ వాటర్. దానికి నీరు కావాలి, ఎయిర్ గాలి కావాలి అండ్ ఇనఫ్ సన్లైట్ సూర్యరశ్మి కావాలి. Now the next topic is seed dispersal and its agents. Let us see. Plants are fixed to the ground and they cannot move from one place to another. Then also they are spreading more. Dear children, do you imagine here? Here I would like to ask you one question. What will happen when all the seeds fall in one place and if they germinate in that place? Any guesses? So if they fall in one place, they cannot get enough food, enough water, enough space, and then also they cannot get enough sunlight to grow. So dear children, that means it is very important to seeds are spread out. Nature helps the seeds to travel away from the parent plant. So here the process of scattering of seeds from mother plant or parent plant is called dispersal of seeds. Here the word scattering means in Telugu scattering vedajalladam or duranga visaradam. That means the process of scattering of seeds from parent plant is called seed dispersal. For this seed dispersal, so the external agents are help the seeds to germinate. What are the external agents? Let us see. Wind, water, animals and explosion. These four can help the seed to germinate. Let us discuss more about these agents. The first one, dispersal by wind. So some of the seeds are very light, hairy, parachute or wing-like structures. That means the seeds are having light, hairy, parachute or wing-like structures are these structures are easily scattered by the wind. The examples are dandelion, cotton, etc. Dear children, you can see these images in your textbook and also on the screen. So now the next topic, dispersal by water. The seeds of some plants drop into near water bodies. That seeds are having fibrous covering of these seeds help them to float and they can germinate in a different place. Example, coconut and fruit of a lotus. Some of the seeds are having hooks, spines, thorns and some of them are having sticky and prickly seed coats. So these seed coats are attached to the fur of the animals and feathers of the birds and to our clothings. So these seeds are carried away by the animals and birds, and later they are dropped on the ground and they can start germination in that place. So not only this, some of the birds and animals, they eat fruits along with the seeds. They are eating fruits along with the seeds. So these animals are eating that fruit along with the seeds in one place and they are going somewhere. So later, that means after some time, that undigested seed, that seed can pass out through their body, and in that other place, that seed is starting germination. So like that, animals also helping the seeds to disperse. Examples for dispersal by animals are xanthium and cocklebur. Now the fourth one, dispersal by explosion. Some fruits scattered their seeds by burst open or explode when they ripen or dried. These seeds pop out. These seeds pop out and get scattered away from the mother plant. Examples of dispersal by explosion are peas and balsam. Dear children, in this video, today we learned seed dispersal and its agents. So seeds are dispersed by wind, dispersed by water, dispersed by animals, dispersal by explosion. Dear children, so I would like to give today some homework. Page number 87. In this page, you are having key terms. In these key terms, you are supposed to write half key terms. That means totally 10 key terms are there. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 key terms meanings in one notebook. Each one 3 times. Dear children, we can continue this lesson in the next